Jay Ray. I'm out here. I was going to work on my 2003 Dodge Ram. Got the 5.9 Cummins in it, but I was going to replace my battery terminal ends, and I got these install gear, 4, 8, and 10 gauge battery terminals, and it comes with these little shims in case you're too big to fit on the battery post. You can put a shim under it. And it comes with these 2 terminal posts, and they're labeled positive and negative. So I'm going to get to work installing those on the truck, show you what it looks like when they're done. Alright, here's the battery terminals installed. It looks a little bit cleaner than what was there previously. The whole wire is pretty secure. Of course, you get different Allen screws on each different size opening there. And you got 2 on the sides of the terminal block here. So you gotta have a whole set of Allen wrenches pretty much to get these installed, along with a 14mm wrench or socket in order to tighten the bolt on the terminal. We use, I believe it was a 4, 5, 6 and a 3mm Allen wrench for these. So there they are. Looks pretty good, pretty decent. A lot better than having all the wires on the old terminals. They were just kind of smashed underneath the metal plate. I think this is a bit more secure and probably work better. So hope you enjoyed this video, and that's the battery terminals installed on my 2003 5.9 Cummins.